Time for a new move. Ready for this one? It's a little bit challenging, and that's okay, because it's just one move. So an entire fifth of this form is made up of this one singular move. From where we are, we come back, we inhale, exhale. We're gonna go back over to the right. So we went right, left. We're gonna go back to the right, but it's one simple movement. We hit the alarm clock, follow. We come back, forward, around, and push. Then, here we are. And I know you're gonna wanna see that multiple times. So by the way, that's the entire third segment of this form. So this one, called leisurely tying your coattails in Chinese. Interesting. Westerners don't really have a connection to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and call that serving the pizza, right? Because we've got this kind of position. We're just serving something around. Forget about the footwork for right now. Just step forward, place your fingers right on your pulse point. So these two fingers, they call them the sword fingers, they're gonna go right on the pulse point. And from here, just push it forward. Notice your knee goes right up to the toe, everything is upright, and see if you can just shift back and forth and then make a little circle with this hand. Notice what's happening with the legs here. We're just rocking back and forth, nice and easy. And then our waist is free to turn. Because all of this motion, I see a lot of times people want to push their hands way over and do all this stuff. It's not, it's the waist. The waist is moving. So get comfortable with that feeling of your hips kind of moving from here, and then shift forward. Turn around. Notice my arm doesn't go way back here. So check yourself. Just around. From here, it comes from the body like everything else. And forward. Bring it around. Forward. Around. And forward. Around. And forward. All right? Get that so it feels comfortable. Step. Fingers on the pulse points. Forward, around, we're pushing back into that back leg, turning the waist. That's the motion. You're upright, your head is up, we're turning the waist around and then pushing forward. Please check the alignment of your body. Make sure that you do not get off balance on this one or let yourself get all wonky or wobbly. Into the back leg, from the back leg forward. That's the important part. Get a feel for that? Check back in with me. All right, now the footwork. We're gonna step forward. And we'll start this one with the alarm. So here we go. We step to the right. Boom. Now, the way I like to show this one, this is the easiest way I think, is you've got this direction. Feel this direction that's happening here. Like you've got a big wheel between your hands or you're spinning a hand bike, right? We all kind of know that feeling. So we bring this one around and then the finger to the pulse points, we step back. The whole body just naturally wants to come this way because we're getting directed this way. Then we step back. We're ready to push forward. So we step forward. And of course we follow step. We step back, lean back, open, and then we push forward and follow step. I will say that technically there's a little bit of a step here to follow, but if that's confusing for you, forget about it. All right, so here we are. We step to the right, rush, push. Bring those around, step back, step forward, step back and around, and then we'll push forward. Let's do that again. So let's start that again. Over here, we're going to circle back, forward, around, and push. Let's do that again on this side. We step and push. Notice this direction wants to go this way anyway. So we step back, forward, back, turn the waist around and push. And we're back. Let's do it the other way as a drill. Right hand up, step left, push. This time the left hand goes around, back, forward, back and around and forward. Inhale, exhale. Push, around, forward, back, forward. Inhale, exhale. To the right. Around, back, forward, back and around, forward. Inhale,